This is a recipe of a very soft and fluffy vanilla sponge cake. This is very tasty and easy to make and require very few ingredients. You can make this from start to finish in about 40 minutes. Try this recipe out the next time. Let's get started. Add 3/4 of a cup of white powdered sugar to a mixing bowl. Add 1 stick or 4 ounces of butter to it. The butter should be in room temperature. And mix this well with a hand mixer for 3 to 5 minutes. You can also use a spatula to mix it if you don't have a hand mixer. Once it is mixed well like this, add one of the 3 eggs to this and beat that egg well into the batter using a hand mixer or a spatula. Then add the second egg and mix that well. Now add the third egg and mix that well too. Take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and add half of the flour to a sifter. Add the salt to it and baking powder to it and sift that to the cake batter. Now fold the flour gently to the cake batter like this. Start from the side, go to the middle, fold until all the flour is incorporated evenly into the batter. Now that flour is evenly folded into the batter. Now add the remaining half of the flour to the sifter and sift it to the batter. And gently fold that into the batter. Start from the side, go to the middle. There should not be any lumps or anything. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 180 degrees Celsius. Add 2 ounces of milk in room temperature. 2 ounces about 60 ml to the batter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix well with the spatula. Make sure this is mixed evenly. See, this is mixed very well. It's a slight yellowish in color. Brush the inside of a 9-inch baking pan with melted butter. Press the butter all over the inside and sides to make sure the cake doesn't stick to the pan. Now add the cake batter to the pan. Flatten the top with a spatula evenly. Hit the pan on top of a bunch of paper to make sure it's even. Now it is very even thickness and the top is smooth. Now our oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Put the cake batter to the middle of the oven. Bake it for about 25 to 30 minutes. Set the timer to 25 minutes first and check after 25 minutes. Insert a toothpick to the middle of the cake and if it comes out clean, it's done. If not, put for another 2 to 5 minutes. Now it's 27 minutes since we put our vanilla sponge cake to bake. See, it's completely ready. Now let us set this aside for 10 minutes to cool it down. Now it is 10 minutes since we set this aside for cooling down. Let's transfer this to a cutting board. This is very soft and spongy and can cut smoothly into shape. See how soft this is, just like a sponge. Everyone would love this vanilla sponge cake. I have a variety of travel and cooking videos in this channel. Please check out those when you get a chance. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give a thumbs up, leave a comment and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.